Be honest. Are you actually ready for school to start again? New classes, new routine, and that "I swear I had my life together last week" feeling. That's exactly why I made this video. I've gathered some super helpful back-to-school tips that'll make everything feel less overwhelming and way more manageable. From organizing your stuff to getting your mindset right, it's your mini reset before the chaos begins. So grab a snack and let's get into it. Deep clean your backpack and pencil case. Let's be real, your backpack's probably been through a lot. Take everything out, toss what you don't need, and give it a quick wipe down. Same with your pencil case. Make space for fresh pens, highlighters, and whatever cute stuff you're bringing this year. It sounds small, but starting with a clean setup just makes you feel more put together from day one. Prepare a checklist. Write down everything you'll need: cute pens, notebooks, outfits, even your lunch bag. Seeing it all on paper makes things feel way less stressful. You'll avoid that last-minute "wait, where's my water bottle?" panic the night before. A checklist keeps you organized and makes back-to-school prep way more satisfying. Prep a school emergency kit. This is a game changer. Keep a pouch in your backpack with essentials like lip balm, a mini perfume, tissues, hand sanitizer, hair ties, and band-aids. You'll feel super prepared for whatever the day throws at you. Set your school goals. Pause for a sec and think, what do you really want from this school year? Maybe it's nailing those grades, meeting new people, or finally joining that club you've been eyeing. Jot down your goals, even if it's just one small thing. Having something clear to aim for makes everything feel a little more doable and way less random. Romanticize school life. Try seeing your school days like scenes from your favorite movie, where you're the main character. Play your favorite playlist while walking the halls or enjoy a little coffee break to make the vibe real. It's a fun way to turn everyday school moments into something a bit more exciting and enjoyable. Decorate your study space. Whether it's your desk at home or even just your locker, make it a vibe. Add fairy lights, sticky notes, a vision board, whatever makes you want to actually sit down and do your homework. And if you want some inspo, I already made a full video on study space decor, so you can check that out too. Get into a simple routine. Nothing crazy strict. Just try to wake up and sleep around the same time each day. Build a mini morning or night routine that actually fits your vibe. Having a little structure helps you feel way more balanced and less stressed. I've got some videos on routines you can check out if you want extra tips. They'll definitely help. Start a Sunday self-care night. Use Sunday evenings to reset. Face mask, journaling, hair oiling, or just putting on your comfy socks and reading a book. It's the perfect way to recharge before a new week. Have a healthy lifestyle. I know you've probably heard this 1,000 times, but seriously, following a healthy lifestyle actually makes a big difference in your school life, promise. Drink more water, get enough sleep, eat stuff that makes you feel good, and move your body a little every day. Your energy and focus will thank you later when you're crushing it in class. Limit phone use during school hours. Scrolling during class? Totally tempting, I get it. But staying off your phone during lessons actually helps you focus so much better. Trust me, TikTok isn't going anywhere. Save your screen time for breaks or after school. Want me to make a full video on how to stay off your phone and actually get stuff done? Drop a comment below and let me know. Extra little tips. Positive affirmations before school. Say something nice to yourself while getting ready. I can handle today. I'm doing my best. I've got this. It's a small thing that can shift your whole mindset. Join a club or activity. It's a fun way to meet people and make school feel more like a community, not just a routine. Start a fun group chat. Create a group chat with your closest friends and name it something silly like Snack Queens or Study and Scream. Use it to share memes, support, or homework help. Talk to a teacher if you're overwhelmed. If you ever feel stuck or anxious, don't hesitate to reach out. Teachers are human too, and they actually appreciate when students speak up. Remember, asking for help shows strength, not weakness, and it can make your school life way less stressful. Don't compare yourself. Everyone moves at their own pace, and that's totally okay. Comparing yourself to others only steals your vibe and confidence. So that's your back-to-school reset, girl. Whether you try one tip or all of them, just know that you've got this. Stay calm, stay kind to yourself, and make this school year your best yet. If you found this helpful, Don't forget to drop your fave tip in the comments and subscribe for more.